There are so many beauty products on the market, it's getting a little bit crazy. So I wanted to make things really simple. We had a lot of reader requests coming in, asking what the best moisturiser is, what's the best serum. So we just wanted to strip it all back and create a definitive list of the top 100 products every woman needs to try in her life. So that's what we've done. Now these are the products that facialists and dermatologists actually have in their beauty cabinet. They're the hair products that hairstylists use on themselves. It's those ones that makeup artists have in their kits and that models try to steal off them. It happens all the time. We have got the intel from the best in the business. With Beauticate, we are constantly going through people's makeup kits and bathroom cabinets, and we've been through every profile that we've done and picked out those products that kept cropping up time and time again. Now we'll be rolling out the list across 10 categories over the coming months on the site and on social. They'll be really easy to shop, and there will be some videos as well. So stay tuned, take notes, and I guarantee these products will make you look and feel amazing.